process offers. Lastly, I conclude by saying that the role of skill development cannot be undermined at any stage of life. Since the motto of development of skill is synonymous with improvement of life standards, all stakeholders, that is academia, the industry, and government, both central and state, should come forward and work hand in hand to make the mission successful. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Komal Dashgupta completed MTech in Microwave and Communication from IIT Kanpur. Presently, he is Acting Director, Chief Scientist, and Head of Fiber Optics and Photonic Division of Central Glass and Ceramic Research Institute, Government of India. He has been awarded with Best Design Award from Ministry of Defense for Radio Altimeter. May I now request you, sir, kindly to share your insights on this occasion with us. Sir, please.
Respected dignitaries, on and off the dais, and distinguished guests. Yes, skill development for sustainable employment is an important topic, but we should understand in this open economy, in this open environment, what kind of skill which remains sustained and you continue your job ever. The question is, you can think of a very simple situation that Chandannagar series Tuni lamp technology taken over. It's a very, very primitive kind of technology that is taken over by China by LED lamps. So with the change in environmental things or change of business scenario, you have to change your own skill to adapt. Like you think of the highest technological institutes, like IITs, their trained graduates are going for economics. Their skill is now in economic development, where we have to put your money. So it all depends on the business role. Where you are driven. You know, for India, software business is really a flourishing business. We are good at software, and our GDP is 40% coming from software. And who are the people who are doing this software? From engineering graduates. They are all engineering graduates from different private engineering colleges even. And if you look at they are only science graduation, maybe most of the cases they are science graduates. In some cases they are even arts graduates. But that education giving a real good GDP for India, and whatever car and other markets you are seeing and real estate business you are seeing, they are all because of those people who are doing software. So skill development depends on what market you have. Yes, for India, there are very poor people like 700 million people or 70 crore people who do not have any education or for that matter to develop a skill. You know, I am working in a institute where we are supposed to deliver technologies. Glass and Ceramic Research Institute is a constituent lab of CSIR. We are supposed to develop technologies. I tell you, and because time is very short, in a nutshell, I'll tell you what my perception is. See, we are evaluated through our publications at different peer-reviewed journals. You hardly find people who are thinking of developing technologies for those 700 million people. I was invited to, in fact, we have an extension center at Gujarat for this kind of people, like who are doing different potteries and ceramic items for low-tech applications. There, that person who was working there, the scientist working there, he took up a challenge of using these people to make vitrified tiles. And he made a cluster of these people small scale industries, MSME industries, and they started making vitrified tiles, and our lab used as testing laboratory for this. He arranged huge number of training classes for those poor artisans to tell them how to make good quality vitrified tiles. Situation has turned to that extent that there are around 400 companies in and around Ahmedabad making these vitrified tiles, and vitrified glaze tiles, whatever you see in the market, they are from those people. And their present turnover is around 4,000 crore rupees. You know, there is no Chinese tiles now available in the market. Price has come down from 200 rupees per square foot to 60 rupees a square feet. And their principal secretary, Gujarat, he invited me in one of their function and told that they are ready to give, they have already given 10 crore rupees for buying new test equipments, and they are ready to give lands, and they are telling even 100 crore rupees is no problem if you continue this, but you won't get teachers. For teaching low-tech items where scientific inputs are needed for competing in this free world, you will hardly get. You'll hardly get, because we are evaluated through our peer reviews, journal publications. So for skill development, we should first think of these skills, these low-tech skills, where automation is not needed, where automation has outsmarted our present engineering scenarios, and that is more sustainable, but we have to rethink about how to evaluate the teachers or people who are giving or impairing this skill to these peoples. With these few words, I'm not expert to this, but teaching, you have to take or you have to adopt kind of modern technologies. In fact, in one of the higher education meeting, the chairman of that meeting, he told one very peculiar thing. I was astonished to hear that any subject, Google, if you open, you will get excellent quality of lectures. You want to learn it, you get it from Google. And if we are not careful enough now itself, if we are not adopting to those kind of a technology, like here you see so many screens are showing you, it could be a distance screens. So if we are not careful about now itself, Google will start telling you what skill they need, not our need. And will convert this young manpower for their use only. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful speech. Let me now request Dr. Karthik Chandra Shahu to felicitate our dignitaries with a memento. Sir, our special guest, Sir Dr. Manoj Kumar Mitro. Thank you. Sir Dr. Falguni Bhattacharya. Sir Dr. Rupen Chakraborty. Our respected guest, Sri Komolesh Bashak. Sri Komal Dashgupta. Thank you, sir. Thank you, one and all. Now, before we move on to the technical round one, let us break for a tea. Respected dignitaries, audience, one and all present here, we request you to enjoy a tea with us and reassemble here after 15 minutes. Please ensure the time limit. Thank you.